What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, and I'm back with another banger. Welcome, Money Gang. Tonight, I'm doing it a little bit different, guys. I got some Mexican snacks here that I'm going to try. I got some drinks and I got snacks. Stay tuned. So first, I'm going to try this Jarritos fruit punch. It's a Mexican beverage. So let's try it. Jarritos fruit punch. I'm gonna rate it too, y'all. This right here, I give it tastes like a Huggy juice. Like one of them little fruit punch Huggy juices. That's what it tastes like. So I give it a 3 out of 10. This is a Kui hydrated flavor coconut milk drink, strawberry flavor. Let's shake it up. It got some type of fruit in the inside of it too. Jelly. Oh, I'm wasting it. I kind of like this, y'all. I give this a 6 out of 10. Next, what should I try? I have these right here, Mr. Costanina um spoon type. I don't know what it is. If I get it wrong, comment down below in the comment if y'all ever ate these before and tell me what they are. It's something look like caramel on the spoon. Let's try it. All right. I'm gonna smell it first, y'all. Why is everything gotta smell like tahim and chamoy? Not too much on Spanish because I know y'all love y'all tahim and chamoy. But it smells just like it. Mm-mm. When you start to eat it, it tastes a little better, but mm-mm, not my type. I'll give that a 1 out of 10. Next, we got peach rings. Everybody know about peach rings. Peach rings is a favorite Spanish snack. Peach ring. Regular old peach ring. Hmm. Pretty good. Peach ring, I would give hmm, an 8 out of 10. I think that was the best thing I done tried so far besides this one. These are Devillian, and the flavors are hazelnut, strawberry, and vanilla. I hope I don't need a spoon. And it's a lot of them, yeah. I don't know why I bought all of these. It's like 18 pack. And this how they look. A popular Spanish snack. Let's figure out how to open it, y'all. Mm, How do we open this? Okay, I got it open. That's how it looks. It looks like pudding. Smell like candy. I'm gonna just get like a little finger full. Tastes like chocolate. Different colors. It's kind of good. Okay. I give that an 8 out of 10. Maybe a 9 because it was good. The Valen, they was good. Okay, now we're gonna try these spongy marshmallows. Spongy marshmallows. Let's see what they give. Let's open them up and see what they give, guys. Like they come in these individual package, thing like this. Let's see. Open it up. You get a whole bunch of them in here, y'all. And I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. It's like a cookie. It's a cookie at the bottom, and then it's marshmallow on top. So cookie at the bottom and marshmallow on top. We're gonna try the strawberry part. Mm-mm. Mm-mm, not my type of cookie. But I'll give it a out of two out of 10. Next and last but not least, I think I'm gonna like these because they're lemon. I like anything that's lemony. And these imperial. I might be saying so. It's like a lemony cookie. Let's open it up and try it. And guys, these snacks are inexpensive. I bought them from a Spanish store. And yeah, it come in like a foil pack of like 6 or 8. So you have plenty to share. So yeah, okay now. Come in like look like crackers. And then it got lemon filling. So crackers with lemon filling. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a lemon cookie. Most definitely is a cracker with lemon filling. It's like salt and sweet. I might like these. Not that sweet. Okay. Um, I'm probably finish this one off. It tastes pretty good. I give this one a 9 out of 10 because I like these. It's like salty cracker on the outside with lemon filling, and y'all know I like lemon filling. Well, if y'all don't know, y'all know now. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos like this. Peace. I love y'all. Money game.